Let me show you all of the gestures and shortcuts on POCO M8 Pro 5G. So we're going to start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to scroll all the way down. Here we need to select additional settings and go to gestures and shortcuts. Now, first option is launch digital assistant by pressing and holding power button for half a second. So it works like this. All you have to do is click and hold the power button, and that way your Google Assistant will pop up. Next thing that you can do is take a screenshot, and there's two options for it. You can slide 3 fingers down to make a screenshot, or press volume down button and power button together to also make a screenshot. So first gesture looks like this. You swipe down 3 fingers and then you make a screenshot, and you can also click and hold volume down button and power button together, and that way you will also make a screenshot. Next things are the partial screenshots. So here all you have to do is click and hold 3 fingers onto the screen, and then you can take a partial screenshot, which means you can select the amount of screen you want to capture. Then make sure to save it. Now if we go back, there's a launch camera. You can open your camera anytime by double pressing on the power button or double pressing volume down button, but this works only when the screen is locked. And the first option is usually replaced with the flashlight that I will explain in a moment. So now if we double press the volume down the power button, it should open my camera. If I'm on the lock screen, I can also double tap volume down, and that way it opens camera the same way. Now, next thing is the flashlight that I talked about. And here you will need to replace the camera function for double press power button. And instead, now you'll be able to activate flashlight by clicking on the power button twice. And the last thing is, second last thing is power off. You can change the method to power off your device either by holding your power button for 3 seconds, or pressing volume up button and power button together, and this will also call out the power menu. That way you'll be able to switch off your device. And last thing is back tap. Now there's 2 shortcuts for back tap. If you double back tap your phone, then you'll be able to assign any of those shortcuts right here. And if you do triple back tap, you'll be able to, for example, do other shortcuts as well. In this case, I've picked take a screenshot and launch camera. Now, if we grab our device, you may notice that this animation doesn't correctly show you the back of your phone, but no matter, we should be able to just back tap right here beneath the camera. So now first is double, and as you can see, I just taken a screenshot, and there's also triple, 1, 2, 3. And that way we just enter camera. And that is all of the gestures and shortcuts that you can find on this phone. And that is everything for this video. Thanks so much for watching.